Today we're making a polpettone di tonno, tuna loaf, just the way it's prepared in Bologna. This is a recipe that became popular in Italy after World War II, when canned tuna was an affordable way to make a satisfying second course. Over time, it became a classic in Italian home kitchens. We're using simple pantry ingredients to transform even the most economical canned tuna into something worthy of a special lunch or dinner. First, drain the tuna well from its oil. Then use a fork to flake it into small, even pieces. Next, add finely grated parmigiano, lemon zest, pepper, salt, and a generous grating of nutmeg, just like in traditional Bolognese tortellini. In a separate bowl, moisten the breadcrumbs or soft bread with a couple tablespoons of milk. Squeeze out any excess and add that to the tuna mixture. Taste and adjust the seasoning before adding the eggs. Lightly beat the eggs. And if you'd like a firmer, easy-to-slice loaf, add a little potato starch at this stage. Combine the eggs with the tuna mixture, mix well, and let it rest for 30 minutes so the flavors can develop. Now for the capers. Give them a quick soak in water to remove excess salt. These capers I actually cured myself from the caper plants that grow just outside the Piatto studio. Fun, right? Prepare a sheet of parchment paper by dampening it slightly. Place the mixture in the center, wrap it tightly, twisting the ends in opposite directions to create a compact shape. And then seal with 2 or 3 layers of aluminum foil. Mine was about 8 centimeters in diameter. Cook in gently simmering water covered for about an hour. the water should never come to a full boil. If you are using a thermometer, the water temperature should hover around 90 Celsius, 194 Fahrenheit. What a smell. And just look at the texture, compact and perfect for neat slices. Once the tuna loaf is cooked, let it cool slightly in its wrapping, then refrigerate for a few hours before slicing. I like to serve this with two quick sauces. For the first, I saute the rinsed capers in a little hot oil to bring out their flavor, then mix them into mayonnaise. For the second, I make a less classic sauce, a simple burger sauce as the Italians call it, mixing mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet paprika, and a pinch of hot chili powder. Two simple condiments that make this Polpettone di Tonno even more irresistible. Other classic condiments that Italians serve with the classic tuna loaf: fresh pickles, hard-boiled eggs, some roasted red pepper. And you, how do you make your tuna loaf? Any flavor twists you recommend? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, let YouTube know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more classic recipes from Italy and beyond.